Great Gadgets offers a variety of useful gadgets for tracking your projects in a truly agile way. The Control Chart Gadget is a plot diagram that shows the work items from a filter by their completion time and duration. It tells you how long items are taking to complete and helps you easily identify outliers. You can configure it to measure the duration in the form of cycle time, lead time, or time between two workflow statuses. Cycle time is the processing time between the moment your team started working on the item and when they marked it as completed. Lead time is the time from when the work item was reported to when it was delivered to the customer, so the total time from the customer's perspective. While these metrics are critical in any Kanban project, they are extremely useful in Service Desk, ITSM, or any operational project. Now, let's see how this gadget can be configured. Let's say you want to see the cycle time for the problem solved by your team in the last 100 days. First, configure the gadget to use a filter with the items worked by your team. Then, configure the cycle start to be the entry in an in-progress status, and the end of the cycle to be the entry in a done category status. You can also choose to display the average duration, standard deviation, or percentiles. And look, the chart is now displayed. To identify the items that took longer than expected, you will need to set a threshold for the acceptable duration. This can be your SLA. And now, the work items that are over the limit, or the SLA breaches, are marked in red, so you can identify them and intervene if necessary. To measure the lead time, you can do exactly the same. The only difference will be the start of the cycle, which in this case, must be set to the item creation. The gadget can also display a data tab with a detailed report, which can be easily exported to CSV format. It gives you many fine-tuning options, and it lets you configure the colors. So, don't miss the opportunity to monitor and optimize your process flow with this awesome gadget.